Welcome, home cooks and Disney enthusiasts. Today, we are taking a tasteful journey with one of my favorites, the coconut curried chicken stew from Disney's Boma, Flavors of Africa. Before we start, we would like to thank our subscribers. Now, let's start by gathering all the ingredients you will need. 1 whole chicken, cut into 8 pieces, salt, pepper, curry powder, canola oil, butter, flour, chicken stock, honey, cayenne pepper, diced tomatoes, diced onions, diced potatoes, minced jalapeno pepper, coconut milk, and cilantro. Add all of the pieces of chicken, 1 tablespoon curry powder, along with salt and pepper to taste in a gallon food storage bag, and shake it up. This hack keeps things nice and tidy, and it helps ensure that every piece of chicken gets coated evenly with the delicious spice blend. Next, heat up 3 tablespoons of cooking oil on medium to medium-high to brown the chicken. Once the oil is ready, place 4 pieces of the chicken into the pan. Overcrowding the pan is a common mistake. By putting just 4 pieces in at a time, it allows each piece of chicken to brown evenly and get a lovely golden crust. Use the lid to help minimize grease splatters while browning the chicken. Once the first 4 pieces of chicken are browned evenly, set them aside on a plate and add the remaining pieces into the pan and brown them evenly. Now that the chicken is beautifully browned, set all 8 pieces of chicken aside on a plate. Add 6 tablespoons of butter to the fond, those browned bits, from the chicken to make your roux. The fond or browned bits add so much depth and richness to the final dish. Lower the heat and add 3/4 cup flour for the roux. 5 to 10 minutes of cooking time is crucial to get rid of the raw flour taste and develop those lovely nutty flavors. Stir until combined. The base of our roux is now done. It's now time to add the 4 cups of chicken broth in to create the stew. Add a touch of sweetness by adding in 1/2 cup of honey. It is a wonderful addition to this dish because it adds a lovely complexity and balances out the savory spices and richness of the coconut milk. It's spice time. Add in 1/8 teaspoon cayenne pepper and 1½ tablespoons of curry powder. These flavors will bloom in the roux and infuse the entire stew with warmth and depth. 1 cup diced tomato makes a great addition to this stew. The tomatoes provide a nice sweetness and a bit of acidity that helps balance out the richness of the coconut milk and other flavors. 1 cup diced onions, another great way to add some sweetness and savory flavor into the stew. 1 cup diced potatoes, which is an essential component for a hearty and satisfying stew. Adding them now will give them plenty of time to cook through and become nice and tender. Half-seeded and minced jalapeno pepper. This is what is going to give this stew a wonderful kick. 1 cup coconut milk. This is what will give the stew its signature creamy texture and luscious flavor. Stir everything together until well combined. Now, add the chicken back into the pot for it to finish cooking through and soak up all those incredible flavors from the sauce. Cook over medium heat. Stir occasionally. When the chicken has reached the internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, the stew is ready to eat. You can leave the chicken whole, or I like to remove the skin and dice it up and add it back into the stew. Grab a bowl and garnish with cilantro. Enjoy! We enjoy sharing Disney recipes that can help you create the magic at home for your friends and family. Please comment if there are any Disney recipes you would like us to recreate. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel to help us continue sharing delicious Disney recipes. Until next time, happy eating!